Kapit mo ako. Sa kamay ko, pag-ibig mo, buhay ko.
This I came into the world to testify to the truth. Everyone who belongs to the truth listens to my voice.
Pilate said to them,
What is truth?
When he had said this, he again went out to the Jews and said to them,
I find no guilt in him, but you have a custom that I release one prisoner to you at Passover. Do you want me to release to you the King of the Jews?
They cried out again,
Not this one, but Barabbas! Barabbas! Release Barabbas!
Now Barabbas was revolutionary.
Then Pilate took Jesus and had him scourged. And the soldiers wove a crown of thorns and placed it on his head, and clothed him in a purple robe. And he came to him and said, and they struck him repeatedly. Once more Pilate went out and said to them,
Look, I am bringing him out to you so that you may know that I find no guilt in him.
So Jesus came out, wearing the crown of thorns and purple robe. And he said to them,
Behold, the man.
when the chief priests and the guards saw him, they cried out,
Crucify him! Crucify him!
Pilate said to them,
Take him yourselves and crucify him. I find no guilt in him.
the Jews answered,
We have a law, and according to the law, he ought to die, because he made himself the Son of God.
Now, when Pilate heard this statement, he became even more afraid, and went back